What's up, guys? Guess what? Today I made new slime, and I bought 99-cent store a clay. I made this one, the bottom, and made this one. Bought the clay one in a 99-cent store. So let's get started. We will start with a small slime, but before we start, I'm gonna have to take the rubber bands off and tie my hair up. Now that I tie up my hair and take the rubber bands off, we can get started with the blue one. The blue one I made it, I think 2 days ago or 3 days ago. I don't know, but I forgot. This blue slime is kind of a little bit sticky because look, if you're one of the person that go like very fast, that will be kind of like good for you. But if you're one of those person that squeeze it slow and have warm hands, you should not make this slime because it's a little bit sticky. You can add more. You can add more activator, and I'll show you how it comes out when I add more activator. Okay, I just added a little bit right now. Mix it up. See what does it turn like. It may turn out good. Yeah, it's less stickier. Let's see if we can make a bubble. And now let's see. Whoa, that's pretty big. It's pretty big for a little batch of slime because it's a tiny container and it's made a big bubble. Let's see if it looks good in the container. Yep, it's pretty good. To the next. This next one is not gonna be slime, it's gonna be clay. Trying to save best for last. The big one for last. Okay, I bought this one, like I said in the beginning. I bought this one in the 99-cent store, but it doesn't say anything. It says green zoo top dye, crystal animal slime. It's actually slime. I thought it was clay, okay, but it says slime, but it is actually clay. You can't see that. I know you can't see that. Let me show you what I can do with this. It's gonna fall to the ground, but I don't want it to fall to the ground, so I'm gonna try to make a bubble or make it. It's too rippy, but if I add cream, it's gonna be like white and you're not gonna kind of see through it. That's so many bubbles. I licked it. Here it is. It's so satisfying how it makes the sound. Sorry for when I stopped it for accident. It's so clear. Oh, I'm trying to blow it and make a bubble. Try to make a bubble now. Try to make it again. I can tell this is not slime because mine can make bubbles and this one cannot make bubbles. But it's still good slime. That was it. To the next slime. Next one. It's always so hard for me to open this container. You can draw on it because it's wet. I just played I think today to see if it was good. It wasn't sticky to bring my activator, but it has a lot of bubbles. Look at that. Well, it's not so much, it's a little bit. Here it is. I don't know if you heard that, but it's time to poke in the container. This is like fluffy slime. Let me show how it pokes. That pokes so good. Okay, now that you saw the poking, it's time to see if it makes holes through it. A little one. See if it crackles good. Just make some bubbles in it. Yep, and it pokes good. Now let's make a bubble. It's so cool. And this is what I heard, but in the bubbles. That pokes so good. Guys, if you like my slime videos, you should watch my slime. One of them I did. I think I have to have it. A slime video I did in my YouTube channel. It's one of the slimes, and you should watch the next video. What I'm gonna make, I don't know when, but I'm gonna make it one day. A video. I'm gonna make a lot of slime. You should watch it you should watch it. This is a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna add activator. I actually using the container from the slime activator kit, Nickelodeon, but I actually added my activator. Mix it on top. I like when it gets smooth on the top. When you add your activator, you go like. If you wonder how sometimes I do not use lotion, is by the activator I use is contact solution. So yeah, it's so good. Guys, if you want to make the two slimes I showed you, well, let me tell you. The blue one, I used glue and blue food coloring and Gain. And no, I didn't use. Sometimes I use Gain for my activator. I use for this one contact solution. And yeah, that's all. If you want to make this like fluffy slime, I did kind of fluffy. I use sticky slime. I use a little bit hard slime and mixed it. If you want this color, you use a greenish, blue, and then dark blue, and then it'll come out this color and add some blue glitter. Yeah. And last but not least, this slime, the slime they called it is, I think you can buy it in any 99-cent store, but if you can't find it in a 99-cent store, well, I don't know, probably if you can find this one in your 99-cent store. So you should make sure if you like this one, and if you think you can find a pink one like this, the camera doesn't look good, but if you can see that, it's like that pink, what you see there. If you see a regular like dark pink slime, like a little bit lighter in the camera, in real life it looks a little bit lighter, but it's not. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.